the DA's office, as well as investigators, sheriff deputies, Mr. Copeland and his counsel met together. None of the defense team, to my knowledge, was aware that this was going on.
Mr. Duke, I'm kind of disturbed because that's ex parte. How did you find out about any of that?
Well, I'm disturbed too. Our highest court says when a court meets, because Mr. Copeland comes in, meets with the court supposedly made statements, which I assume is somewhat accurate based upon what you just said. Mr. Williams and every other person wrongly charged here is entitled under the Georgia Constitution to be present. This court supposedly said, I can hold you until the end of this trial. If that's true, what this is coercion, witness intimidation, ex parte communications that we have a constitutional right to be present for.
I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you don't tell me if you don't tell me who it is, I'm going to put you in contempt. How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers? Did somebody tell you?
You should have told me.
You got 5 minutes.
Well, I don't need it. I want to continue.
You got 5 minutes?
This is what I was told. Mr. Copeland made statements.
So the judge is more concerned with who snitched on him than the fact bombs that this lawyer is dropping in his courtroom. Welcome back to Mike Rock Uncensored. If you are enjoying the content, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like, subscribe, and follow button so that you can receive all the latest updates as soon as I can make them available to you. It's hard for me to watch videos like this and stay on point with just that topic. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to tell you that that judge is either corrupt or he just got caught doing a bad thing, namely taking the law into his own hands. And whether he was being paid for this or whether he had some kind of incentive for what he was doing, I don't know. And I'm not going to pretend to know. But the facts here are very important. Number one, the fact that that lawyer was absolutely right in what he said. He was constitutionally obligated to bring this information before the judge. And the judge not one time denied that what the lawyer was saying was true. Instead, he wanted to know who told him about what happened in that ex parte meeting. That was a private conversation. Yeah, that was an illegal conversation. But you're more concerned about who snitched on you. The other important thing here, and a lot of you guys won't want to connect these dots because it's not going to serve your purpose, your political agenda, for you to connect this dot. But everything in this particular case with Young Thug is happening in the same district that Fani Willis is in charge of. We could talk about what happened here all day, but all you have to do is listen to the video. Go to the original source. Listen to it for yourself. Again, you don't have to be a genius to know that this judge was in the wrong and he got caught. And to tell you the truth, I wouldn't be surprised to find out that Trump's administration or Trump's gangster squad, whatever you want to call them, I wouldn't be surprised to find out that they are working really, really hard to expose the justice system for what it is. The fact that they are trying to indict him for every little thing for no other reason than to keep him from running it for president. But whether you hate Trump or not, if the things that they are exposing are true, that is what we need to be paying attention to. If you watch the videos with this judge, all you hear them say is a Trump attorney, a Trump attorney. Why do you think that they're bringing that to your attention? Because again, they're in a situation where they have to assassinate a person's character so that they don't have to address the facts in this case. By attaching the name Trump, a convicted felon, to this attorney's name, you're less likely to want to believe anything that he has to say. But at the end of the day, the facts are the facts. And here is what's going on. Everything our Department of Justice is doing right now is meant to serve one purpose, and it's not even to throw Trump in jail. Their only one purpose, their only one agenda right now is to keep the power that they have over us as a people. You may not like Trump, and I'm not 100% sure that he's the best person for the job, but he is the best person for the job right now. And the reason for it is this government needs to go. I would never tell you guys who you're supposed to vote for or how you're supposed to vote. To me, my job is to simply put the information out there and to help the people open up their eyes, to start having an opinion, to tell me why you agree or even disagree with the information I'm giving you. But at least if we're doing that, we're starting to have real conversations again. We're not assassinating people's character. We're not as quick to assassinate a person's character as we are at finding out the facts of the case. Okay, this person is a bad person, but is what he's saying true? The Democratic Party is not concerned with the truth. They are hiding from way too many lies to be able to sit down and tell you a truthful story at this point. The reason why they're getting caught up in this, and you know this as a family, if you're a parent, or if you're or if you were raised in a good home, you know that there's only so far a lie can go before it starts being exposed with other truths. And that's the problem that the Democratic Party is caught up in right now. They have told so many lies, and our society has advanced so much that they are now having to address the lies that they've told. So what do? They choose not to. They choose to destroy evidence. They choose not to answer subpoenas. They choose to tell the people things are a certain way. They choose to do whatever they need to place labels on certain individuals like convicted felon so that you're less likely to want to hear whatever truth is out there. You're too distracted by the manipulations to pay attention to the fact that our government has been duping us for years. I say it over and over again. The people that are in office right now, the Pelosi's, the Clintons, all of them, they've been in office for way too long. They're not just empowered, they're egotistical. They believe that we are so stupid that at no point in time will we ever pay attention to what's going on enough to realize that we deserve something better. This justice system right here is just a small part of a larger picture of what's going on here in the United States. Our administration, our government, our enforcers, the DOJ, the CIA, the FBI, they don't feel that there's anything that we can do to remove them from office, to do anything to them. If you challenge us, we're going to put you in jail. If you question us, we're going to ban you. We're going to censor you. We're going to make you look like you're crazy. You shouldn't be afraid to tell the people, you know what? Go and look up the information for yourself. Educate yourself. Don't just listen to me. Get that information from several sources. That's if you're standing by the truth. When you're not standing by the truth, you're going to tell the people not to listen to anybody else. That everything you say is golden. Everything you say is God. We know, I know, I rambled on about other things, but to me, all of it is important, and I want it to be important to you as well. I'm going to get up out of here. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys think. Share your thoughts, your feedback, even if you feel like I'm wrong in this situation. Just don't be a dummy and be disrespectful about it. You do that, and I'll do my best to respond. You guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.